day 2 here on Isabela, and today we scheduled a snorkeling trip.
I think that we're supposed to see some of the best things that there are to do on this island.
Hopefully also see some sharks and
sea turtles.
Sea turtles.
And maybe some blue-footed boobies.
Choose the seat and put the life jacket, please.
So we got on the boat and it was about a 45-minute ride to where we were going to go snorkeling. This rock is called La Union, which it used to be really important for sailors back in the day. But now it's just covered in blue-footed boobies, and there's just like this really pretty light blue water everywhere.
So special. This side is so special because when the waves that splash in the rocks, those are formed the falls.
It was really sunny, so tried not to get totally sunburned.
Okay, this is blue-footed booby. I think it's male.
Finally, we anchored the boat and it was time to get out for a little bit, walk around, and learn about the area. And we even got to see some sea turtles. And finally, it was time to get in the water. It's a little bit hard to see, but that's a seahorse. Our guide was pointing a lot of things out to us. And then at one point, he even found a couple sharks. So we would each take turns and he would help push us down into the water so where we could actually see them up close. It was really cool to be able to see so many colorful fish. And look at these little guys walking on Matt's hand. And finally, we did get to swim with sea turtles, which is like one of the most amazing things you can probably ever do. We thought it was really cool seeing them from above the water, but being right next to one was amazing. I would say we probably saw like at least 6 or 7 sea turtles, if not more. And at one point, I even was a little bit off by myself, and I had a sea turtle all to myself that nobody else saw, so I felt really lucky. And then we saw some stingrays before we went back to the boat. Once we got back to the island, we got a ride back to our hotel on the back of a pickup truck. Since it was one of our last nights on the island, we decided to go out for an evening stroll and try and watch the sunset.
We went on a walk to try and find some flamingos. We did not find them, but now we're walking back to the town on the beach. And yeah, there's the sunset behind us.